Hello viewers, in today's session we are going to discuss this important problem from definite integrals. So here we are given a function f of t for which we have defined this integral, that is 1 to 8 pi times f of t dt is equal to 1, right? So for any function f of t we are given this condition, and we have to compute the value of this integral using this one, that is from 1 to 2x square f of x cube dx, right? So let us see how we can compute the value of this integral using this condition. Right, now let us first write this integral as pi times the integral 1 to 8, and here we have f of t dt is equal to 1. So here we have taken pi outside the integral, pi being a constant. So now we can write 1 to 8 and f of t dt is equal to 1 over pi. So the value of this integral is given to be 1 over pi. Now let us find the value of this integral. So let us call this integral as I, right? So here we'll make use of the method of substitution. So let us take here u is equal to x cube, right? So when u is equal to x cube, then du over dx is d by dx of x cube. So the derivative of x cube is 3x square. Using this formula, that is the derivative of x raised to n is nx n minus 1, right? So here we have now du over dx is equal to 3x square. So we can now write du over 3 is equal to x square dx. Okay, so now here the limits vary from 1 to 2. So let us change the limits as we have used this substitution. So when x is equal to 1, that is the lower limit, then the value of u is 1 cube, that is simply 1. And when x is equal to 2, that is the upper limit, then u is 2 cube, that is 8, right? So now this integral I can be written as x equal to 1 to 2, and we have f of x cube, and we can combine here x square and dx. So now when x varies from 1 to 2, u varies from 1 to 8. So here we have 1 to 8, and f of u, because x cube is u, and x square dx is equal to du over 3. So now we can take 1 over 3 outside the integral, and we have here 1 to 8 and f of u and du. So now the value of this integral is 1 over 3 times the integral 1 to 8 f of u du, right? So now if we here change the variable u to t, then we can also write 1 over 3 1 to 8 f of t and dt, because from the dummy variable property of definite integrals, we know that the value of the integral a to b f of t dt is same as a to b f of u and du, right? So here we can change the variable. So here we have now 1 over 3, and we have changed the variable u to t. Now the value of this integral is given as 1 over pi. So here we can write 1 over pi. So the value of this integral I is equal to 1 over 3 times pi. So viewers, this is how by using the method of substitution and using some properties, that is the dummy variable property of definite integrals, we can easily solve these kind of problems.